So my first memory at York was one of our first classes, Kin 1000, which is like the universal course for everybody. And I remember the professor who vividly comes out and says, "Who wants to be a physiotherapist? Who wants to be a chiro? Who wants to be a doctor?" And I swear, I was kind of had some inklings about being entering medicine. And I looked around, I think 1,000 people put up their hand for medicine. I'm like, oh man, it's gonna be really hard. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I just kind of said, look, I want to do something that is impactful, but I didn't know what direction it's going to take. York was fundamental in launching my career and my passion for medicine. I was blessed with the best professors at York University who really inspired me throughout my journey. A few obviously stand out. One is Dr. Lauren Sergio, who I got to interact with throughout my undergraduate and master's degree. And she was an expert on vision health and disability. And one of her courses was really foundational for my path towards ophthalmology and vision care. I'm confident that in hindsight I chose kinesiology because it was the only program that let me do sports as a credit. And so I did every sport. I think I did extra courses because I'm like, yeah, I really need to play soccer and I must play basketball for extra credits. And as an athlete, it really was the best course of sort of program for me. Being a university student, those late night hours, the Timmy's right by Scott's Library, is that you start to develop a little bit of a community. And I found my community pretty early on at York, and it stayed with me even now, 20 years later. I am beyond grateful to Canada, to York, to allow someone like me to become the best version of me and to be able to sort of chase my dreams. Lessons I learned are still with me because at the end of the day, I am most at home when I provide care to people all around the world, wherever they come from, whatever their walks of life is and whatever the color of skin is. Being recognized by my alma mater and a program and a university that I hold really dear to my heart is really everything. I am beyond humbled and surprised. I still think that the day I got the call, I was like, sorry, wrong number. To be recognized amongst heroes of Canada and our society's champions, and to be even within the same conversation is a really special experience and opportunity relatively early in my career, but much more importantly, a pat on the back of everything I want to achieve for myself, for our community, for ophthalmology, and Canada at large.